My Lord Honorable Senior Judge Justice Rajan Rai, Other Honorable Judges on Dais, Learned Additional Advocate General of UP, Mr. S.M. Chandrakawar, Deputy Solicitor General of India, S.P. Pandey, Honorable Senior Advocates, members of Bar, members of Registry, Mr. Lalit Kishore Tiwari, General Secretary of Bar, my Lord. We are assembled here today to mark the sad demise of our 12 beloved esteemed members of our Bar Association who have passed away during last few months. Late Prabhakar Tiwari was born on 4 January 1950. Late Prabhakar Tiwari was enrolled as advocate with Bar Council of UP in the year of 1978 and started practice in Honorable High Court, Lucknow. Within a short period of time, he had acquired vast practice and prominent position in the bar. He was good man and very good counsel. Late Prabhakar Tiwari is survived by his wife, Srimati Bhagwashri Tiwari. Late Prabhakar Tiwari breathed his last on 16 October 2024. Late Deepak Seth was born on 31st December 1949. Late Deepak Seth was enrolled as advocate with Bar Council of UP in year of 1972 and started practice in Honorable High Court, Lucknow. Within a short period of time, he had acquired vast practice and prominent position at the bar. Late Deepak Seth was a polite person, conducted himself with dignity. Late Deepak Seth is survived by his wife, Srimati Manju Seth, two daughters, namely Sachi Singh and Mrs. Devansi Seth. Late Deepak Seth breathed his last on 8th of May 2025. Though we have lost him, but he shall remain in our memories always. Late C.K. Seth was born on 10th of October 1945. Late C.K. Seth was enrolled as advocate with Bar Council of UP in year of 1968 and started practice in Honorable High Court, Lucknow. Within a short period of time, he had acquired vast practice, prominent position in the bar. Late C.K. Seth is survived by his wife, Srimati Aruna Seth, and two daughters, namely Ritu and Srimati Priya, both of whom were settled in the life. Late C.K. Seth breathed his last on 19th February 2025. Late Kuldeep Kumar Awasthi was born on 1st January 1986. Late Kuldeep Kumar Awasthi was enrolled as advocate with Bar Council of UP in year of 2010 and started practice in Honorable High Court, Lucknow. Within a short period of time, he had acquired vast practice, prominent position in the bar. Late Kuldeep Kumar Awasthi breathed his last on 1st February 2025 in a car accident. Late Brijesh Kumar Saxena was born on 9th February 1950. Late Brijesh Kumar Saxena was enrolled as advocate with Bar Council of UP in year of 1975 and started practice in Honorable High Court at Lucknow. Within a very short period of time, he became the renowned roaring practitioner and obtained the position of Master of Civil Side in this court. He was good man, soft-spoken, and very helpful to the juniors. He was commanding with high respect to the bar. He was good mentor. I have privilege to say that Honorable Justice Jaspreet Singh, the judge of this Honorable Court, is one of distinguished disciple of late Brijesh Saxena. Late Brijesh Kumar Saxena is survived by his wife, Srimati Sunil Saxena, his daughter, Prachi Saxena, and his son, Nikhil Kumar Saxena, both of whom reside in USA. Late Brijesh Kumar Saxena breathed his last on 15th March 2025. Late Arun Kumar Jaiswal was born on 13th of March 1956. Late Arun Kumar Jaiswal was enrolled as an advocate with Bar Council of UP in 1979. And he started practice in Honorable High Court, Lucknow. Within a very short period of time, he had acquired vast practice and prominent position in the bar. Late Arun Kumar Jaiswal is survived by his wife, Srimati Sadda Jaiswal, his daughter Srimati Shweta Jaiswal, and his son Amit Jaiswal. His son, Mr. Amit Jaiswal, is a practicing lawyer of Honorable High Court and also member of Awadh Bar Association of the High Court. Late Arun Kumar Jaiswal breathed his last on 20th of March 2025. Late Akhilesh Kumar Kalra was born on 11 July 1961. He was worthy son of worthy father, late Shri Rakesh Kumar Seth, who was practicing advocate of Honorable High Court. Late Akhilesh Kumar Kalra was enrolled as an advocate with Bar Council of UP in year of 1987 and he started practicing Honorable High Court, Lucknow. Within a short period of time, he had acquired very vast practice and prominent position at the bar. He was gentleman, very soft spoken, always open help to the members of bar. He was always inspiring and encouraging to the young lawyers. I remember even junior most member in bar station could just walk him in his chamber and in spite of his busy schedule, he would receive him and solve his problems. Late Akhilesh Kumar Kala is survived by his wife, Srimati Meenakshi Kala, and his daughter, Mrs. Parvani Kalra, who is presently studying in National University, Jodhpur. Late Akhilesh Kalra breathed his last on 13 June 2025. Late Usman Siddique was born on 25th October 1958. Late Muhammad Usman Siddique was enrolled as advocate with the Bar Council of UP in 1983 and started practice in Honorable High Court, Lucknow. Within a very short period of time, he had acquired vast practice and become prominent position in the bar. Late Muhammad Usman Siddique breathed his last on 30th June 2025. Late Rakesh Kumar Yadav was born on 15 June 1985. Late Rakesh Kumar Yadav was enrolled as advocate with the Bar Council UP in 2013 and started practice in Honorable High Court, Lucknow. Within a very short period of time, he also acquired vast practice and prominent position in the bar. Late Rakesh Kumar Yadav is survived by his wife, Srimati Seema Yadav, his son, Akhilesh Kumar Yadav, studying in class 11th, and his daughter, Ruchi Yadav, studying in class 6. Late Rakesh Kumar Yadav breathed his last on 3rd August 2025. Late Shashank Singh was born on 1st October 1988. Late Shashank Singh was enrolled as advocate with the Bar Council of UP in year of 2014 and started practice in Honorable High Court, Lucknow. Within a very short period of time, he also acquired vast practice and prominent position at bar. Late Shashank Singh is survived by his wife, Srimati Mohita Singh. Late Shashank Singh breathed his last on 1st February 2025 in a car accident. Late Arunendra Mohan Shukla was born on 5th March 1973. Late Arunendra Shukla was enrolled as advocate with the Bar Council of UP in year of 1999 and he started practicing Honorable High Court at Lucknow. Under juniorship of late Biren Bhatia, senior advocate, within a very short period of time, he also acquired vast practice and prominent position at the bar. Late Arunendra Mohan Shukla is survived by his wife, Srimati Preeti Shukla, his daughter, Mrs. Avedita Shukla, his brother, Sri Devendra Mohan Shukla, and Sri Rajendra Mohan Shukla, practicing lawyer at Honorable High Court. Late Arunendra Mohan Shukla breathed his last on 8th August 2025. Late Jyoti Prakash was born on 4th June 1971 and to now. Late Jyoti Prakash was enrolled as advocate with Bar Council of UP in year of 2001 and started practice in Honorable High Court, Lucknow. Within a bit of time, he also acquired vast practice and prominent position at the bar. Late Jyoti Prakash is survived by his wife, Dayanti, and daughter, Unnati Burma, and son, Utkarsh Burma. Late Jyoti Prakash breathed his last on 1st July 2025. At this occasion, I will quote few lines written by famous writer श्री वसीरभद्र. उजाले अपनी यादों को हमारे साथ रहने दो, न जाने किस गली में जिंदगी की शाम हो जाए. I, on behalf of the members of Awadh Bar Association and myself, offer deepest condolence to the bereaved families. I pray Almighty to give the strength and courage to the all bereaved families to bear the loss. I, on behalf and on behalf of members of the bar, request that our condolence may kindly be conveyed to the bereaved families. May departed soul rest in peace.
Honorable the Senior Judge, His Lordships, other companion Honorable Judges of this Honorable Court, Pandit Shri S. Chandra, Advocate, President of Awadh Bar Association, Shri S. B. Pandey, Senior Advocate, Deputy Solicitor General of India, Senior Advocates, Senior Counsel, respected members of the Bar, members of the Registry. Saddled with sorrowful but solemn responsibility, I join this assembly here to mourn the sad demise of 12 learned members of the Bar. The heart gets heavier as I take names. Late Prabhakar Tiwari, late Deepak Seth, late C.K. Seth, late Kuldeep Kumar Awasthi, late Brijesh Kumar Saxena, late Arun Kumar Jaiswal, late Akhilesh Kalra, late Mohammad Usman Siddique, late Rakesh Kumar Yadav, late Shashank Singh, late Arunendra Mohan Shukla, late Jyoti Prakash. Amongst those whom we lost, a few were shining stalwarts, a few suitably settled, and yet a few were young sufferers of initial struggles of the profession. Stalwarts, whom we all looked up to, settled, we rubbed shoulders with, and strugglers, who were yet to bud to bloom. Death spares none. It surely meets each one in moment and manner of its own choice. It gets suddenly, at times peacefully, and sometimes cruelly. Shri C.K. Seth, 80, Shri Deepak Seth, 76, Shri Brijesh Kumar Saxena, 75, Shri Prabhakar Tiwari, 74, Shri Akhilesh Kalra, 64, Shri Jyoti Prakash, 54, Shri Kuldeep Kumar Awasthi, 39, Shri Arun Kumar Jaiswal, 69, Shri Mohammad Usman Siddique, 67, Shri Rakesh Kumar Yadav, 40, late Shashank Singh, 37, late Arunendra Mohan Shukla, 51. What to say more? Words fail, my Lord. I humbly join everyone present here in their thoughts and prayers, spoken or silent, for the departed souls. My Lord, I recite a poem of James Shirley, a 17th century English poet and dramatist. It's entitled Death the Leveler. The glories of our blood and state are shadows, not substantial things. There is no armor against fate. Death lays his icy hand on kings. Scepter and crown must tumble down, and in the dust be equal made with the poor crooked scythe and spade. Some men with swords may reap the field and plant fresh laurels where they kill, but their strong nerves at last must yield. They tame but one another still. Early or late, they stoop to fate and must give up their murmuring breath when they pale captives creep to death. The garlands wither on their brow, then boast no more your mighty deeds. Upon death's purple altar now, see where the victor victim bleeds. Your heads must come to the cold tomb. Only the actions of the just smell sweet and blossom in their dust. With these words, my lords, I rest. I pay my heartfelt condolences on behalf of the learned Advocate General, learned Additional Advocates General, learned Chief Standing Counsel, learned Government Advocate, other learned state law officers, and also on my own behalf. May the Almighty give the departed souls the eternal peace and their family members the strength enough to bear the loss. Om Shanti.
The senior judge, Honorable Mr. Justice Rajan Rai, other honorable judges sitting on dais, President of Awadh Bar Association, Sri Subhash Chandra Mishra, Sri Suryamani Singh, Additional Advocate General, Government of UP, designated senior advocates, learned advocates sitting in the courtroom, and members of the registry. We are assembled here today to solemn remembrance of our friends of the bar who have departed from our midst during the past year. This is a moment of deep reflection when we set aside the bustle of our professional lives to honor those who walked these corridors of justice before us, argued alongside us, and stood for the cause of law and law with direction and courage. The Awadh Bar Association has always been a home of vibrant legal minds, those we have lost were an integral part of this tradition. They were not just advocates in the technical sense, they were mentors to juniors, friends to peers, and worthy adversaries in court. They carried in their work the highest ideals of our noble profession, commitment to justice, integrity in conduct, and compassion for those they served. In the courtroom, they gave voice to the voiceless and ensured that every matter, big or small, received the dignity it deserved. Outside the courtroom, they contributed to the fabric of this fraternity through their camaraderie, guidance, and professional solidarity. Their absence will be felt keenly, not only in our cause list, but in our conversations in the tea room and in the silent understanding that exists between members of our fraternity. The loss of their families is immeasurable and loss to the bar is profound. On behalf of the Union of India and in my personal capacity as the Deputy Solicitor General of India, I extend my heartfelt condolences to their families we share their grief and offer them our prayers for strengthen the peace in the difficult hours. Let us remember our departed colleagues not only with words of tribute today, but also by upholding in our own practice the values they embodied fairness, respect for all, and unwavering commitment to justice. May their soul rest in eternal peace.
My esteemed colleagues on the bench, Shri Pandit S. Chandra, President of our Bar Association, Shri S.M. Singh Roykwar, Additional Advocate General UP, Shri S.B. Pandey, Deputy Solicitor General of India, learned senior advocates, learned members of the bar, officers of the registry, and all others present. We have all gathered to mourn the sad demise of 12 of our brethren at the bar. Shri Prabhakar Tiwari, who practiced in this court on the civil and revenue side for almost 33 years, left us for his heavenly abode on 15th October 2024. He was known for his available nature and his hard work. He was soft-spoken, caring and kind-hearted person. As a lawyer, I had the benefit of interacting with him frequently. His demise has saddened us all. The Tiwari shall always be remembered for his gentle manners, courteousness, and mentorship of young lawyers. The Deepak Seth, a renowned lawyer of this court, left us on 8th May 2025. Shri Seth was an epitome of calmness, not only while interacting with his colleagues, but also while arguing his cases in the court. He always encouraged and guided young lawyers. Many of his juniors, Shri Arun Khanna, Shri Gaurav Mehrotra, and Shri Ratnesh Chandra, continue to serve the institution. His shining and calm personality still lingers in our thoughts. His absence has created a void that cannot be filled, but his words and deeds shall continue to inspire us all. Shri C.K. Seth, a distinguished advocate and a man of quiet strength and deep integrity, left for his heavenly abode on 19th February 2025. In a career spanning over 5 decades, he was known for his clarity of thought, integrity, and unwavering commitment to the rule of law. Outside the courtroom, Sri C.K. Seth was an avid sportsman. He leaves behind a void that is deeply felt by family, friends, clients, and the entire legal fraternity. Sri Kuldeep Kumar Awasthi was enrolled with the Bar Council of UP in the year 2010. He practiced mainly on the civil side in this court. He was standing counsel for the state of UP. His untimely death in an accident on 1st February 2025 is a great loss to the institution. Sri Brijesh Kumar Saxena passed away on 15th March 2020. He was a highly respectful civil lawyer known for his profound legal knowledge and his sharp-witted cross-examination. Apart from his legal achievements, for which he was always appreciated, his enchanting personality enamored all who came in his contact. He has mentored many young advocates, several of whom have risen to positions of distinction. One of them, Sri Jaspreet Singh, adorns the bench as a judge of this court at Lucknow. Sri Saxena shall always be remembered for his contribution to the justice delivery system. His demise has saddened judges, lawyers, and litigants alike. Shri Arun Kumar Jaiswal practiced in this court mainly on the civil side, especially in land acquisition cases. He passed away on 28th March 2025. His legacy continues through his son Sri Amit Jaiswal, who is an advocate practicing in this court. Sri Jaiswal shall be missed by all of us. Sri Akhilesh Kalra passed away on 19th June 2025. We had all seen him appearing in the courts almost every day till his death. A man of few words outside the courtroom, he was equally soft spoken and courteous within the courtroom. He was involved in many philanthropic activities and also conducted cases, including PILs, pro bono. His loss leaves us saddened. Mohammed Usman Siddique was enrolled as a member of the UP Bar Council on 6 July 1983. He practiced in this court on the civil and revenue side for almost 33 years. He had also worked as standing counsel for the state of UP. He was a gentle and kind hearted person and shall always be remembered as such. Sri Rakesh Kumar Yadav, a young and budding lawyer, passed away on 3rd August 25. He was a hard-working advocate with immense potential, but alas, the hands of fate took him away from us at such a young age. His loss is unbearable. Sri Shashank Singh, a young lawyer who was a brief holder for the state of UP, died on 1st February 2025 in somewhat unfortunate circumstances. His death is a great loss to the institution and it has saddened us all. Shri Arunendra Mohan Shukla practiced mainly on the criminal side. He came from a family of lawyers. Two of his brothers are practicing advocates of this court, one of whom, Sri Devendra Mohan Shukla, is the additional chief standing counsel for the state of UP. His death is a great loss for all of us. Jyoti Prakash completed his law degree from Lucknow University and enrolled as an advocate in 2001. He passed away on 1st July 2025. He shall be missed by all of us. On behalf of myself, my esteemed brothers and sisters, I express heartfelt condolences to the members of the family of departed souls and pray to the Almighty that He may grant strength and solace to them to bear the irreparable loss and also to grant eternal peace to the departed souls. As a mark of respect, we shall now observe 2 minutes silence. The judicial work for the rest of the day shall remain suspended.